Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create and install a new Facebook pixel. So what you'll have to do, open a browser, go to the URL section, type Meta Business Manager, and the enter button. Go and click on the first link and make sure that you're logged in into an account. On this list panel, make sure to go to Event Manager. Once you're here, click on Connect Data, click on Web, and then click on Next. Here you'll find the dataset. Make sure that you select one of the datasets that you have. If you don't have one, just go and create one, and then simply go and click on Next. Here you can choose an ad account that you want to connect the dataset to. Click on Next, and we'll just wait for this until it's finished. And here, as you can see, you can connect the conversion API for even more robust data if you want to, and you'll be able to see how you can set this up. You can here give feedback, but normally you should get your API here. Let's just wait for it until it shows. So you should get this set up with Meta. You can click on Connect Now. You can even set this up manually or with partner integration. So as an example, with this partner integration, depending on where you want to install it. So as an example, if you want to install it on a Shopify store, on a WordPress store, somewhere else, you may find here a lot of platforms that are partners with Facebook that you can just go and click on it, and it will be much easier for you to install it from here. And of course, if you don't find the platform that you're intending to install the pixel on, you will have basically to do it manually. So instead of going with setup with a partner integration, you will need to do setup manually. So if you do setup manually, they will give you basically a code. You can go with Meta Pixel only with conversion API Meta Pixel. For me, I'm going with only Pixel, and you should get a code. You'll have to copy this code. As an example, I know Shopify is already a partner, but let's just assume that Shopify is not a partner, and I'll just show you how to install it on Shopify, and you can do the same on any other platform. So if you go here to Shopify and click on settings, on the select panel, you can go to customer events. And here you can go to custom pixels, add a pixel as example. So I do have here one. Let me just go and delete that. And as example, you can add the custom pixel, name it whatever you want. For me, let me just go here, name it pixel, add a pixel, and then you will have to paste your code right here. And this should be done automatically if you done the code or something like that. And as I said, if you want, you can do it normally the normal way. So you don't have to paste the code or anything. You can just set it up with Meta if you want to, or you can set it up with a partner integration if you want to. And this is very easy. Like if you go here to Shopify, they will show you the exact step how to do it. So you can go to Shopify and they will do everything for you. So as an example here, log in into your store. And of course, you can do that with any other partner. So you can install the pixel itself on whatever platform you want. So as an example here, they will tell you to install the app and you can follow the instructions. I'm not going to follow these instructions here because I'm showing you just an example of Shopify. For you, you may want to do it on another option. Once you're done, of course, with that, you can always come here to the Business Events Manager. Make sure to add events and track actions like page views, add to cart, purchase, and you can set automatically or add manually. So if the pixel is not firing for you, probably you've embedded the code in the wrong place. Specifically if you do it manually, or if you have no data, probably there is a wrong pixel ID, or maybe Shopify not tracking, or any other platform that you want. And of course, one more thing, if you don't already have a data, you can just go here to it, and instead of selecting a data, because I had two, you can create a new data set. Of course, you can give it a name and choose the category, etc., and you will be able to create it very easily. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.